Here I am inside of a condo unit that we just purchased, and we closed in 5 days, bought with cash. It was a couple sisters that owned the property, and one of them passed, the one that lived here. The other one was a co-owner but didn't live here, and they just wanted to get the house sold and get the most money. So with the least amount of hassle, without having to worry about showings and all that. So we bought the house from them. We did offer to do a fix and list, where we fix up the property with our money, sell it for them at the top of the market, and let them keep the extra profit. But this seller appreciated just having us buy it cash and be done with it faster. So here's all we're going to do with this property. Because the comparable properties don't show a big swing in property values for, if we ripped all the cabinets and flooring, we took this thing to the hilt, we wouldn't see that money back. There's just not a big enough swing. What there's a big demand for is affordable housing in this particular retirement complex. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this dishwasher because it's really old. So we're going to replace that. We're going to use Bondo and fix this countertop that's kind of starting to crack. We're going to fix this hole in the drywall. We're going to take this is like wallpaper pieces that have been patched on there. So we're going to rip all that off. We're going to fix the drywall. We're going to replace the plates around all the outlets so that they're just a plain almond, normal looking one. We're going to paint all the walls, take all the window coverings down, throw everything away. We're going to put new carpet down. We are going to put LVP, luxury vinyl plank flooring in the kitchen and take it out to here. So the kitchen and dining room has got a plank flooring. So other than that, it's just paint, carpet. We're going to fix this tile here, clean everything up, take those little strips off the bottom, Bondo these holes from an old shower door. We're going to leave the wallpaper in here. Just going to clean it to make it look nice. The idea is to spend the least amount possible to make the unit livable and ready for someone again. They did put a bunch of mirror squares on this door, so we're going to have to replace that door. And because they're really big, to get creative and do something different on that closet door, but we'll leave this alone. Just throw everything away and make it nice for the new owner. So you have to be careful in properties not to over improve them. Make sure you look at the comps, make sure the value's there, make sure it makes sense to put money into the property. As if we put too much money into the property, you do a lot of work and you don't get paid back for it. So that's the plan with this property. Look forward to showing it to you when it's all done.